Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So ICP, okay, $13.82. Now I have a warning for you because right off the bat, I want to show you Bitcoin at the moment because it's quite important that we talk about Bitcoin before heading into ICP. Yesterday there was a drop, kind of a weird drop happening here all the way down to 40,000, liquidating some of the stop losses out there. And for a moment I thought we were heading all the way to 48k because you have this little bit of a pennant that you're breaking above, but soon enough when you went down for the retest you actually crashed down like this. But the thing is, with Bitcoin there is a very big divergence right here. Okay, look at this divergence. The prices are shockingly coming down, and ever since October, so for the past 2-3 months, Bitcoin has just been pushing up and the RSI is climbing down, which is going to offer a trouble in January. So if you look at it, you also have ICP pretty much on the same boat, and that is the prices are climbing up and you have the RSI climbing down. This is an issue. And number two is that even worse, ICP is failing to cross this resistance, right? So you have that resistance right there where you started to push down, and that's the very same resistance that it really failing to break above. Okay, and as long as you're not going to break it, this is not going to go to $18. And I kind of have to say, if you're in a profit, especially if you're trading it and you have some profit, get your profits out of the way, or maybe partially take some profit with some stop losses. Because, and if you're looking for an entry to trade the coin, I don't really recommend it right now. I don't know, maybe I could be totally wrong, especially if you start to get bullish again and break above here. We're going to talk about it being safe again, right? So if you start to break the highest part, which is $16.9 of this high frequency doji, there are some chances you actually push up and up and up to 23 and then get rejected here, which makes more sense being rejected there as well. But before you go there, the issue is that the daily has printed out a high frequency doji right next to the resistance. So when you look at doji like this, it actually means that there is a reversal coming down, and combine the bearish divergence on the RSI, that pretty much becomes a recipe for trouble. Number two is just a logical thing here. You went from $2.8 all the way up here. This is already pumped 4 to 5x, right? So if you move up 456 or 500%, there are chances where you may even take 70% dumps, 60% dumps. Number three is that people feel like if they buy anything right now, it's going to go flying to the moon, because the market has been safe since October. You can see that this was back in October when things started to go up. November, you are up. December, you are up as well. And now you're entering into January territory, and people are now ready to commit to buy right here. So we may see something like you go down like this, even maybe to $7-6, and then you continue all the way up like that. That's something I could be expecting as well. And that's it for the video on ICP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.